Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, don't nobody faint because you haven't seen us for a year on here. We've been doing some traveling and doing a lot of fishing, and so this is the first week of October. Things are changing into the fall from the summer. We don't have that hot weather right now. Now these are our mandevillas that we planted back in the spring. You can see this pink one is a vining one. You see how it come up the trellis good, blooming good. These are the bush kind, and they don't vine like as much as these. The pink one is the best viner there is. You'll probably be able to get a vining white and a vining red, but all we got was the bush. But anyway, I don't like putting a bush and a vine together. Next year I'm gonna put 2 pink ones on here and 2 pink ones on here, or 2 red ones or something. But anyway, I just wanted you to know these are wonderful for the hot summertime. Now, we're fixing to send these to the greenhouse here in probably a month when it starts turning off cool. We're gonna plant pansies. We'll show you a little bit about that here in a minute, but I just wanted to bring you a little update on what we're doing and let you know we're still alive and well. I did get a new pacemaker a week ago Tuesday. I'm sorry about the traffic in the background, but we're right on a busy highway here. I've had my pacemaker now for about 10 days. Everything's well. We're fixing to head out for South Carolina this next Tuesday we're going to head out for South Carolina. We have a homesteaders convention down there in Fountain Inn, South Carolina on the 15th and 16th. I will be speaking the 16th if any of you are close to Fountain Inn, South Carolina. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know about these mandevillas, how pretty they are, that we're doing okay. And it's the fall, we're fixing to convert over to pansies. Okay, the boys are coming up here to get the mandevillas and take them to the garden center. We've got our pansies made into this is a bathtub. Got a little damage here on this end that we picked up. Got another over to the other side of the carport. And so this is what we'll put our pansies in for the winter. We put them at 6-inch pipe in there and covered the ends of it, and then we put our soil in there, our barky soil in the bottom and our good soil on top, and we've planted Judy her pansies. We've got yellow and purple and white. That's what she wanted in this one, was a yellow, purple and white. The other one is strictly purple and white, but give them about 2 weeks. We get back, we're going to make this trip and come back. In 2 weeks, we'll show you what these look like when we'll make another video when we get back home and tell you about our updates. And we're going to do a little fishing on the way down, do a little fishing on the way back. So anyway, folks, we're alive and well, enjoying life, still working for the Lord. So if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe. Punch that like button, ring that bell, and we'll make you another video. Hopefully it's not a year from now.